guys, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, and if you've been here before, thank you so much and welcome back. It is so good to see you all. I have another cleaning video for you guys today, hoping to motivate you to get cleaning whatever area of your house or whatever shape your house is in that you need to get cleaning. I hope that you can find some motivation in this video.
If we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So in this video today, we are tackling the entire house. We are cleaning all areas of the house. We're just starting in the bedroom, but we are just doing light cleaning. If you've seen any of my recent videos, you know I recently did 3 different videos for all day cleaning. It's been a lot of work because my house was in a very messy shape, but it's getting a little bit better. We do have a lot of clutter in the house, so I'm working through decluttering, and so in today's video we're just doing surface level tidying up to maintain what we cleaned not too long ago.
If we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
And voila, this is the kids' room looking nice and organized and clean. What do you think? I mean, as I said, we're just doing light cleaning today, but I think it's looking really good. The main bedroom is also looking nice and clean and organized. As you can see, a little tidying goes a long way in maintaining the hard work that I put in the last videos, where we had to do a lot of cleaning and emptying of things and laundry and things like that. Again, bathroom light cleaning as well. So next we're gonna move downstairs.
I go crazy, cause I can't escape when you call my name, when you call my name. I go crazy when you call my name.
If you have little kids in your house, I hope you can sympathize with me, and I hope that this scene is normal for you, because this is my usual scene for where the kids spend a lot of time. It doesn't take much to get to this level, just a couple of days. Yes, I should be tidying up after them, or getting them to tidy up immediately after playing, but what's the fun in that when I could just let it get super messy and then do a cleaning video, right?
You just see past my lies, can't disguise who I am when I am with you. My armor fell off cause your words got me naked, got me naked. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks of gone can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name.
So we are almost done down here, and part of the reason I just did light cleaning this day is because it's the only day I had to do cleaning. I was pretty busy that week, but I was exhausted and I wasn't really feeling very well, so I did have to take a few naps in between, but otherwise I think everything turned out looking good.
me twisted, liquid got me distant. Don't you know? Well, you should know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life.
So just heads up that we will be doing a whole bunch of decluttering videos in the next few weeks. Decluttering closets, we'll declutter our garage, we'll have to declutter some storage spaces. We just want to empty out this house, which is so full of things, and just making room in this house. Right now it's just too full. So if you like that type of video, like where we are decluttering, if you're looking for motivation to empty out your house and do decluttering jobs and things like that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when those videos come up. And also I will continue to do these cleaning videos, so I hope that you do find motivation in these. Or if you have any thoughts or suggestions of the types of videos you'd like to see me do on this channel, I am open to suggestions, so just comment below or just hit the like button so I know that you like this content. Thank you.
Of you, just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
felt. I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you.
And that is it. That is all for this video. I hope you found some motivation for some cleaning around your house or wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. I appreciate your support. Any thoughts or comments or anything you want to say, please comment below. I read all of my comments and I respond. Thank you so much, and I really hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.